Hi.
Hi.
I read about this place and we have to go there. But did you know that there's a restaurant in New York? It's called, I'm not going to pronounce it right. It's called Enoteca Maria. And it's a restaurant that doesn't employ chefs. Instead, they employ grandmas from all over the world to make their native cuisine. They have two kitchens at the restaurant and they have two grandmas working. Like one grandma will be a different grandma every day. And then the other grandma is like their Italian, like they have a few different Italian grandmas. So they always have like an Italian menu and then they have like the daily menu.
I hate to say this.
Oh, what?
What if one of them dies? Do you know what I mean? Because they're elderly. Like, how old are these grandmas? Like, what if they lose a chef a week?
Well, I think they just keep employing grandmas. And now they're even teaching classes at the restaurant. You can sign up and you can come learn from a grandma, like how to cook her cuisine, because they want these like native cuisines to live on.
What? For some reason, okay, so for some reason in my head when you were telling me about this, you said restaurant in New York, and there's a restaurant in New York where it's dark. So for some reason,
like you can't see.
Yeah, you can't see, and I believe, I could be wrong, it's to give you the experience of feeling what it would be like to not have eyesight and have a meal. But for some reason, when you were telling me about the grandmas, I was imagining all this happened in the dark, which is not true. That's maybe one of the coolest things like I've ever heard of. And I've heard of a lot.
Well, we have to go.
I'm down. Let's go. Let's go to Grand. We'll just eat there every night and try different cuisine.
Yeah.
Cheers. Cheers to grandmas.